Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering down and removing the battery pack. This prevents shorts and lets you work safely. Once done, flip the controller, pry off the battery plate, and remove the 5 screws using a T8 security bit. Make sure to keep screws organized in a tray so reassembly is straightforward. Then gently separate the shell halves along the seam. Don't force it. There are clips and a ribbon cable inside. Take your time here, because careful opening prevents broken plastic or torn connectors. With the shell open, you'll see a ribbon cable and plastic clips. Release the latch and slide the cable free to fully separate the halves. Now remove the thumbstick caps and unscrew or unclip joystick modules if needed. Clean buttons, contacts, and stick bases with isopropyl on swabs, less liquid, more controlled wipes, and blow out dust with short bursts of compressed air. While cleaning, inspect for corrosion or frayed wires. Addressing those now avoids repeat issues later. Once components are dry and clean, reconnect the ribbon cable and gently align the two halves, ensuring clips engage before you start tightening screws. Replace the 5 screws snugly, but don't over-torque. Over-tightening can strip plastic. Reinsert the battery, power on, and pair with your console to test buttons, triggers, and sticks through menus or a controller test app. If something fails, double-check ribbon seating, battery contact springs, and button domes for debris. Reseating parts usually resolves the common faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.